Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find general management. Now let's scroll down to find reset options, so let's tap on it, and as you can see right in the middle we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. And here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, just tap on reset settings. If you've got a pattern, PIN or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, so let's do it. And here we've got the info that this action cannot be undone, so just tap on reset if you're ready, and the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy S22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.